Everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm gonna talk about on how you can join TikTok creativity program in everywhere in the world. Now guys, let's dive into a new video. So before we start, we're gonna open our VPN. Let's open our VPN now, and this video we're going to do it while using Browserware Opera Mini. Now as you can see, the blue mark up there is that of our VPN is just open now. And after, we're gonna go back to TikTok to create our TikTok account creativity program while using location United States. And let's change our location. Now we're gonna put United States. Let's sign up. We're gonna use email. We're gonna use Gmail to create our account. We just do the process as you already know how to do it. And guys, if you need help to create Gmail account on different location, we're gonna add our email. Don't forget that we have to take Gmail to create that account. It's important. We're gonna go back and take that Gmail. This is the Gmail we're gonna use to create that video. We're gonna copy the Gmail and go back to TikTok and add the Gmail and add any password you want. I'm gonna add my password. You just add the password. Like we're gonna go take we're gonna let's take the password now. Go back to take the code. Now we have our code. Now let's take our code and put it on TikTok. Now we submit. Now guys, we have our TikTok. Now it's all in, it's already done. We're just gonna add our whatever name I'm gonna put TikTok creativity program, and just a name to make sure I'm just sign up, finish the sign up program. Just a name. You can make your name after that. Me, I just choose a name for now. Now we log in. We're gonna make our first try on computer. Our first try, we got the account we just created. We had the Gmail and we had the password. And after, let's log in to see what's gonna pop in. And take two shapes as same. Now let's log in. Now as you can see guys, now all my file now it's part of the location United States, and you guys now can start making videos and make content in that TikTok, and you can make a lot of money. And you can make money right now in the TikTok account and publish whatever you want and change that. Check for a niche. If you guys need a problem to find a niche or a problem to create videos, any type of problem, guys, you can say that in the comment, and now I'm gonna make another video for you guys and help you out. So now guys, as you can see, now I'm now on TikTok and my phone, and we're gonna do our second try while we're gonna use our TikTok account we just created. And it's like as I say, this is a easy process, and guys, you can do to get that TikTok money. Hey. Now we are now on our TikTok account. As you can see, I got TikTok Studio, and we go on TikTok Studio, and you will see Creator Rewards Program. This program, you can make money right now and make some videos, get that 10k followers and get that whole views. It's not gonna take a lot of time. It's not gonna take like months to get that. It's gonna be easy, guys. If you need help or to get that views, and as you can see, United States just pop in. You can see trending, all those videos, all those contents, they are like from United States, and you can make money now, guys, on that TikTok program. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, thanks for watching, thanks for everything, guys. Keep subscribe, keep share the videos, keep share the love, and guys, thank you for the support. See you in the next video, guys. Peace out.